Alexa, what's the time?
It's 8:59 a.m.
Alexa, snooze.
Okay, snoozing.
Yeah. Good morning everyone, I am now dressed and showered for the day. Today's a bit of a weird one. Basically, I'm my sister, you've seen her loads in the vlogs before, like here and here and here and here. Well, basically she's going to university in September. She's going to university in Gloucester, so today we are going to Gloucester just to see where she'll be living and what it's like and etc. So yeah, I thought I'd vlog it because I've never been before, I don't know what's there really. Could be fun. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Right then, I wonder what this could be. Right, I'm probably gonna need a knife, hold on. There you go lads, I'm actually being the Battersby. B-Tech Jacob. Right, so this is the box. You don't know what's in it yet. I'm just gonna move that and that. In fact, you can probably unplug the keyboard. So let's just unbox this pretty much. I don't even know if you can see it properly because my light is in the way of the screen. But yeah, I'm just gonna try and open this. Oh, did I cut the thing? Oh, hope not. Alright, is that open? There you go. Oh, there you go. That's it open. Put that over there. There you go. Right, so inside the box there is loads of ridiculous packaging. And there it is, boys and girls. It looks sick already. Move this box then. So guys, here it is, the Razer Black Widow Chroma. It is my new keyboard. I thought I'd get a new one because the other one I had was getting a bit, some of the keys are starting to like not work properly. And I've always wanted a mechanical keyboard, which means it clicks like this. And it's also a chroma, so it lights up into any colour I want. It just looks pretty cool, honestly. So like all Razer keyboards, it has the generic just QWERTY keyboard. It has a game mode and a macro mode, but also it has 5 macro keys on the side, which means you can set those keys to do anything you want, really. Right, how do I even go about opening this? So let's just peel that open. And obviously, I don't know what exactly is going to be in this box, but it's quite obvious that we're going to get the generic Razer stickers because they come with every Razer product. There we go, boys. It looks amazing. How big is it in comparison to the other keyboard? Right, so the keys are a bit thinner, but other than that, it's pretty much the same size. The thing with all these Razer boxes is they're so complex, it's unbelievable. Like, look how many parts are out of it. They all unfold and just, oh my god. Again, there's these little doors and that, but they don't actually lead to anything. It's very clickbaity. Here are the Razer stickers and all the documents and all that, my guess would be. For gamers, by gamers, and then it's got the Razer website with the good old Razer logo on the front there. Here are all the documents. So we have the cheeky little promo thing, and you have joined the Cult of Razer notice to be given with every Razer product, although I joined the Cult of Razer about 2 years ago now. So there's a picture of the chroma features on the back. It's got the Razer logo and it's signed by the Razer CEO, is it? Yeah, co-founder and CEO, Min. Here's are loads of codes for rewards and that, exclusive rewards for the Razer faithful. There we go. Oh, that's weird. Right, normally the stickers are in bright green as the Razer colours are, but they're in a nice little black with a rainbow outline. It's like, I don't know what you call them, but you know when you like move the picture, it's got different colours over it. It's like a holographic card where like you change it and it's got 2 different faces on it. It's a little bit like that. It looks pretty sick. So basically what I'm going to do now, I am going to install everything on my computer, set it all up, and then show you the end product. Right guys, so I just set it all up. I imported all the settings to my old keyboard onto the new one with Razer Synapse, the mechanical keys and just the chroma settings. It just makes a really good keyboard. And one thing I didn't know about it is it's got its own built-in media hub. So as you can see when we go over to the side of the keyboard, there is actually a USB plugged into it. And there are 2 other slots for headphones and microphone. Now this is really, really cool. I will be using the USB section a lot just to charge my phone and other different things. It's really useful. But I don't know about the headphone jack and the microphone, just because it's a lot, like, it's better to have it behind my PC because they have long wires, so to have it right there will be a bit of a nightmare just for cable management reasons. So yeah guys, that is my final review or unboxing of the new my new Razer Black Widow Chroma. Final thoughts, I think it's amazing. It's a very big upgrade to my other one and I just love it really. So yeah guys, that is the end of today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Ciao! Take me away! Good vibration.